वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज के वीडियो में हम लोग यूपी पीएससी के लास्ट ईयर के यानी कि 1991 के क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे। लास्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग 50 से पहले देख चुके थे। अभी हम लोग 51 से स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 है, इंडिया इज सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट इन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ मिनरल। ऑप्शन नंबर 1 is tin, option number 2 is silver, option number 3 is gold, option number 4 is graphite. The correct answer is option number 4, graphite. Question number 52 is, the Hazira fertilizer factory is based on, option number 1 is petroleum, option number 2 natural gas, option number 3 on the naphtha, option number 4 is on the coal. The correct answer is option number 2, natural gas. Question number 53rd is, which of the following state has highest population of tribes? Question number 1 is Bihar, option number 1 is Bihar, option number 2 is MP यानी कि मध्य प्रदेश, option number 3 is Rajasthan, option number 4 is Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is option number 2, Madhya Pradesh. 54th is, Bokaro Steel Plant was established with the help of option number 1 US, option number 2 UK, option number 3 France, option number 4 Soviet Union. The correct answer is option number 4, Soviet Union. Question number 55 is, what is the smallest planet in the solar system? ये क्वेश्चन 1991 के अकॉर्डिंग का है। ऑप्शन नंबर 1 इज प्लूटो, ऑप्शन नंबर 2 इज मार्स, ऑप्शन नंबर 3 इज वीनस, ऑप्शन नंबर 4 इज मर्करी। द करेक्ट आंसर इज प्लूटो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 56 इज, विच इज द क्लोजेस्ट प्लैनेट टू अर्थ? ऑप्शन नंबर 1 is moon, option number 2 Venus, option number 3 is Mars, and option number 4 is Mercury. The correct answer is option number 2, Venus. Question number 57 is, when does the solar eclipse occur? Option number 1 is 4th day on the moon, option number 2 is new moon day, option number 3 any day, option number 4 full moon. The correct answer is option number 2, new moon day. Question number 58 is, what is marble? Option number 1 sedimentary rock, option number 2 floor blazer rock, option number 3 converse rock, option number 4 igneous rock. The correct answer is option number 3 converse rock. Question number 59 is, Suez Canal connects option number 1 Turan and Ontario, option number 2 is Bengal and Tripura, option number 3 is Superior and Michigan, option number 4 is Superior and Huron. The correct answer is option number 4, Superior and Huron. Question number 60 is, the reason behind the origin of tidal waves in the oceans is, option number 1 the effect of sun, option number 2 earth's rotating speed, option number 3 combined effects of sun and moon, option number 4 gravity, centripetal force and centrifugal force. The correct answer is option number 3, combined effects of sun and moon. Question number 61 is, what is the world's deepest trench? Option number 1 Narthan, option number 2 Challenger, option number 3 Manhattan, option number 4 Ricards. The correct answer is option number 2 Challenger. Question number 62 is, what is the datum line? Option number 1 is horizontal line of sea level from which, option number 1 is horizontal line of sea level from which height and depth are measured. Option number 2 is middle of primary and secondary data. Third is international date line. Option number 4 is an imaginary line located on 0 degree longitude. The correct answer is option number 1, horizontal line of sea level from which height and depth are measured. 63rd question is Calgary in Australia is famous for. Option number 1 is gold production. Option number 2 is better climate. Option number 3 is education center. Option number 4 is poultry. So the correct answer is option number 1, gold production. So question number 64 is which of the following is the word sugar bowl? Option number 1 is Cuba. Option number 2 Chile. Option number 3 is India. Option number 4 is Havana. So the correct answer is option number 1, Cuba. 65th is which of the following country has highest production of iron ore? So the option number 1 is Philippines. Option number 2 is US. Option number 3 is Soviet Union. Option number 4 is India. So the correct answer is option number 4, India. 66th question is which country is famous as country of sunrise? Option number 1, Norway. Option number 2, Japan. Option number 3, UK. Option number 4 is Finland. So the correct answer is option number 2, Japan. Question number 67 is Japan's largest island is. Option number 1, Hokkaido. Option number 2, Shikoku. Option number 3, Odori. Option number 4 is Honshu. So the correct answer is option number 4, Honshu. 68 is where is the second completely literate village in India situated? So ये 1991 के अकॉर्डिंग है. ऑप्शन नंबर 1 इज बुद्धपुर, दिल्ली. ऑप्शन नंबर 2 आदमपुर, बिहार. ऑप्शन नंबर 3 इज बालासोर, राजस्थान. ऑप्शन नंबर 4 इज सलेमपुर, उत्तर प्रदेश. So the correct answer is option number 1, Budhapur, Delhi. 69 is the most sparsely populated state of India in terms of population density is. Option number 1 is Kerala. Option number 2 Bihar. Option number 3 Rajasthan. Option number 4 is Jammu and Kashmir. So the correct answer is option number 4, Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 70 is the word secular in the preamble was added by the amendment. By the amendment of option number 1 is 42nd, option number 2 is 45th, option number 3 is 51, option number 4 is 43rd. 70 का correct answer is option number 1, 42nd. 71st है who was the president of Jhanda Samiti of the Constituent Assembly of India? Option number 1 is C. Rajgopalachari. Option number 2 Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option number 3 is J.B. Kripalani. Option number 4 is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So the correct answer is option number 1, C. Rajgopalachari. So question number 72 is the contingency fund can be spent by the president through option number 1 the time of national crisis, option number 2 after parliamentary approval, option number 3 pre-parliamentary approval, option number 4 cannot spend. So the correct answer is option number 3 pre-parliamentary approval. Question number 73 is in constitution the residuary powers are vested in the option number 1 is president, option number 2 state, option number 3 union cabinet, option number 4 is parliament. So the correct answer is option number 4, parliament. Question number 74, vice chairman of the planning commission is equivalent to option number 1 vice president, option number 2 minister of state, option number 3 is cabinet minister, option number 4 is supreme court. So the correct answer is option number 3, cabinet minister. Question number 75 is the solicitor general is. Option number 1 is government advocate, option number 2 is the legal officer of the president, option number 3 is legal advisor, option number 4 is administrative officer. So the correct answer is option number 3, legal advisor. Question number 76 है the chief election commissioner can be dismissed by option number 1 is chief justice of supreme court, option number 2 is the president, option number 3 is proposal from the cabinet, option number 4 is on the basis of misconduct certified by 2/3 majority of the members of both the houses of the parliament. So the correct answer is on the basis of misconduct certified by 2/3 majority of the members of both the houses of parliament. Question number 77 is on 2nd October 1959 The town in Rajasthan where Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru inaugurated the Panchayati Raj in India. Option number 1 is Nagaur, option number 2 is Sikar, option number 3 is Sabarmati, option number 4 is Nagpur. So the correct answer is option number 1, Nagaur. Question number 78 is, what do you think by closed economy? So the correct answer is option number 2, import export closed. Question number 79 is, the problem of small industries is option number 1, lack of capital, option number 2, lack of marketing information, option number 3, lack of raw materials, option number 4, all of the above. So the correct answer is option number 4, all of the above. Question number 80 is, the strategy for the development and industrialization of industries was part of the plan. Option number 1 is 4th, option number 2 is 2nd, option number 3 is 3rd, option number 4 is 7th. So the correct answer is option number 2, 2nd. Question number 81 is, in the taxes given below, which one of the following is direct tax? Option number 1 is income tax, option number 2 is production tax, option number 3 is octroi tax, option number 4 is sales tax. So the correct answer is option number 1, income tax. Question number 82 is, the meaning of devaluation is option number 1, decrease in prices, option number 2, decrease in currency value in terms of gold, option number 3 is increase in inflation, option number 4 is loss in national character. So the correct answer is option number 2, decrease in currency value in terms of gold. Question number 83 is, which type of mirror is used in the car for seeing the rear end? Option number 1, concave mirror, option number 2, cylindrical mirror, option number 3 is convex mirror, option number 4 is plane mirror. So the correct answer is 3rd, convex mirror. So question number 84 is, long radio waves are reflected by which surface of the earth? Option number 1 is troposphere, option number 2 the ionosphere, option number 3 is tropophase, option number 4 is stratosphere. So the correct answer is option number 2, the ionosphere. Question number 85 is, which of the following plant does not have flower? Option number 1, jackfruit, option number 2, gulnar, option number 3, orchids, option number 4, fern. So the correct answer is option number 4, fern. 86, who invented polio vaccine? Option number 1, Alexander Fleming, option number 2, Jan Salk, option number 3, Robert Koch, option number 4 is Edward Jenner. So the correct answer is option number 2, Jan Salk. 87, which one of the following vitamin causes clotting of blood in human body? Option number 1, vitamin K, option number 2, vitamin D, option number 3, vitamin E, option number 4 is vitamin C. So the correct answer is option number 1, vitamin K. 88th question is, what is the normal blood pressure of a healthy person? Option number 1 is 100 by 50, option number 2 is 120 by 80, option number 3 is 150 by 100, option number 4 is 80 by 100. So the correct answer is 2nd, 120 by 80. 89 है, within how many days the infant should be vaccinated by BGC? Option number 1 is 6 months, option number 2 is 7 days, option number 3 is immediately after birth, option number 4 is 48 days. Question number 90 is, Bright disease affects the, option number 1 is kidney, option number 2 is spleen, option number 3 is heart, option number 4 is liver. So the correct answer is option number 1, kidney. Question number 91 is, hysteria disease is generally found as option number 1 is married women, option number 2 is old women, option number 3 is young women, option number 4 is young men women. So the correct answer is option number 3, young women. 92nd में पूछा गया है, how does plant cell varies from animal cells? So the first option is mitochondria, option number 2 is cell wall, option number 3 is presence of protoplasm, option number 3 is cell, 4th is cell vibrant. So the correct answer is option number 2, cell wall. Question number 93 is, most of the digestion occur in which of the following organ of the body? Option number 1, pancreas. Second is large intestine. Third is small intestine. Option number 4 is stomach. So the correct answer is third, small intestine. 94th is the number of chromosome in the human body is option number 1 23, second 46, third 44, fourth and 42. Option number second is 46. 95. Which animal among the following is not able to digest the fibers? Option number first is option number first is goat. Option number second cow. Option number third elephants. Option number fourth pig. So the correct answer is option number 4 pig. Question number 96 is if water pollution continue with this speed, then finally option number 1 is there is an obstacle in rainfall. Second is water cycle will stop. Third is nitrate will be unavailable for aquatic life. Fourth is oxygen molecules will be unavailable for aquatic life. So the correct answer is option number 4th. Oxygen molecules will be unavailable for aquatic life. So the question number 97 is the habitat of Tharu people is option number 1 is Arunachal Pradesh. Option number second is Uttar Pradesh. Option number third is Madhya Pradesh. Option number fourth is Bihar. So the correct answer is option number second, Uttar Pradesh. The readiness for accidents statement is related to option number 1 George Bush. Option number second Saddam Hussein. Option number third World Health Organization. Option number fourth State Road Transport Corporation. So the correct answer is option number third World Health Organization. 99 is the Central Drug Research Institute is situated at option number 1 is Delhi. Option number second is Shimla. Option number third Lucknow. Option number fourth is Hyderabad. So the correct answer is option number third Lucknow. Question number 100 is which of the following country did not send army in the Gulf War? Option number 1 is Pakistan. Option number second China. Option number third is England. Option number fourth is France. Correct answer is option number second China. 101 winner of 1990 Football World Cup is option number 1 is West Germany. Option number second is Italy. Option number third is Soviet Union. Option number fourth is England. So the correct answer is option number 1 West Germany. 102 में क्या है? The name of the operation by multinational army against Iraq is option number 1 Operation Woodrose. Option number second is Operation Desert Storm. Option number third is Operation Desert Field. Option number fourth is Operation Black Cobra. So the correct answer is option number second Operation Desert Storm. Question number 103 whose birth centenary was celebrated in 1988? Option number 1 is Charles Darwin. Option number second Einstein theory of relativity. Option number third is Ramanujan, mathematician. Fourth is C.V. Raman discovered the Raman's effect. So the correct answer is option number third is Ramanujan, mathematician. Question number 104 is after the attack on Kuwait, the new name given to the Kuwait by Iraq is option number 1 is Al-Fateh. Option number second is Kikjat. Option number third is Kazima. Option number fourth is Mushroom. So the correct answer is option number third Kazima. 105th, the total number of members of WHO on April 1991 was, so the correct answer is option number fourth 156. 106 is question number 106 is Magellan spacecraft has been sent to the planet of option number 1 is Pluto. Option number second is Saturn. Option number third is Mars. Option number fourth is Venus. So the correct answer is option number fourth Venus. 107 John Major became the Prime Minister of Britain on option number 1 is November 31st 1990. Option number second is November 28, 1990. Option number third is September 28, 1990. Option number fourth is December 28, 1990. So the correct answer is option number 2 November 28, 1990. 108, the BJP withdrawn support to the National Front government on. Option number 1 is November 23, 1990. Option number 2 is October 20, 1990. Option number 3 is October 23, 1990. Option number 4 is November 30, 1990. So the correct answer is option number 3, October 23, 1990. Question number 109 is the 9th Lok Sabha had been dissolved on. Option number 1 is March 10, 1991. Option number 2 March 16, 1991. Option number 3 is March 6, 1991. And option number 4 is March 2, 1991. So the correct answer is option 1, March 10, 1991. Question number 110 is United States Satellite Launch Center is located at. Option number 1 is Alamos. Option number 2 is Los Angeles. Option number 3 is Cape Verde. Option number 4 is Cape Kennedy. So the correct answer is option number 4, Cape Kennedy. 111 Mandal Commission report was presented in the year. Option number 1, 1990. Option number 2, 1983. Option number 3 is 1980. Option number 4 is 1977. So the correct answer is option number 3, 1980. Question number 112 is which of the following is not a social ordinance? Option 1, MISA. Option number 2, Anti-Dowry Act. Option number 3 is Protection Important Civil Rights. Option number 4 is Prevention of Imperial Traffic Act. So the correct answer is option number 1, MISA. Question number 113 is Allah Rakha's famous player of. Option number 1 is Sarangi. Option number 2, Pakhwaj. Option number 3 is Tabla. Option number 4 is Sita Ravadan. So the correct answer is option number 3, Tabla. 114 is where is the National Rural Development Institute located? Option number 1 is Patna. Option number 2, Delhi. Option number 3, Hyderabad. Option number 4 is Shimla. So the correct answer is option number 3, Hyderabad. 115 is United Nations Proposal number 660 deals with first unconditional return of Iraq from Kuwait. Option number 2, economic blockage of Iraq. 3rd is Iraq compensate Kuwait. 4th is to destroy nuclear weapons. 115 का correct answer is option number 1, unconditional return of Iraq from Kuwait. 116 when the World Food and Agriculture Organization was established. Option number 1 is 1964. Option number 2 is 1956. Option number 3 is 1947. Option number 1945. So the correct answer is option number 4, 1945. Question number 117 is where is the greatest potential of the tidal energy in India? Option number 1 is Madras. Option number 2 is Cochin. Option number 3 is Vishakhapatnam. Option number 4 is Bhavnagar. So the correct answer is option number 4, Bhavnagar. 118 is the first women to get the Gyanpith Award in the field of literature. Option number 1 is Ashapurna Devi. Option number 2 is Shubhra Bufmari. Option number Bufrani Chanashahan. Option number 3 is Amrita Pritam. Option number 4 is Mahadevi Verma. So the correct answer is option number 1, Ashapurna Devi. Question number 119 is where is the Railway Staff College located? Option number 1 is Madras. Option number 2 Baroda. Option number 3 is Allahabad. Option number 4 is Hyderabad. So the correct answer is option number 2, Vadodara. 120 is, and the last question is first India festival organized abroad at. Option number 1 Britain 1982. Option number 2 France 1958. Option number 3 US 1980. Option number 4 Soviet Union 1983. So the correct answer is option number 1 Britain 1982. So ये है 1991 का लास्ट क्वेश्चन. और स्टूडेंट्स अगर ये वीडियो आपको इम्पोर्टेंट लगा हो तो इसे शेयर करें कि दूसरे लोगों तक भी पहुँचे और सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. थैंक यू.